Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet Taki?
Let me say this is an issue very controversial for say the past few months.
Yeah.
But okay, I don't know. Say issue start here, no. Minim chairman issue start here. As a minu in dinkomo na nana ya on.
Nana ya.
Good. I made it very clear say ye nyina oppositions on this issue.
Yeah.
But I resisted the temptation to state Mimi position. No, essence I felt say now there were two polarized positions, each being forcefully advocated by either MPP and INDC. Nti Niamika and say Miko Kamadria, it will be reduced to a support for either NDC or NPP, depending on which position I express and which viewpoint I express. Nti Mika say, look, I do with the Ankebea consensus building in here. And Mr. Mika said the opportunity given to us by the Eminent Advisory Committee, opportunity we are able to use to come up with something more workable.
Yeah.
Until on that basis, IPAC meeting now, I was excited, Mikubi. I was expecting, say, people would have come there with some open mind, because anyway, Sabi, niye yo na nyina yepe ya batwe. But when you come into a meeting such as that which we had with some preconceived ideas, trying to say your view position is the best without allowing yourself to be enriched by other arguments, Chairman, you will never come to any consensus, because baby, and I'll come to the specifics of Nisi and it's regrettable. Nti odi Adriana Okitawa Bontino Edi Wura sa meeting mu without any intention say wo betie ne ebimu woka na sabi nyansa kakra wo mu kra wo de aka wo de no ho. There's no way you would find that meeting successful. There's no way you would have found that the meeting was useful. Nti enyame nwanwa say some are characterizing it as a meeting that did not produce any consensus. Indeed, it was not. Ebi mo adwene said they were expecting say after meeting advisory committee for na because based on yati ni. But this was an opportunity for them to engage us. Now omuntie ne woka edifa electoral commission for presentation because the electoral commission they adwene abeto abonten. And there have been all kinds of reactions to Sir Adriano. And the advisory committee wanted us to understand, they wanted to understand what really are the specific issues I war with EC position. And until now, I'm meeting. But when you come with your already held views, as if Sebi, electoral commission for have no clue what they are doing, and that Sebi IT and that everybody else in the room has no clue what we are talking about. There's no way you would find a meeting useful. There's no way you would find a meeting enriching. But you call with open minds. I dare say it was extremely fulfilling. It was very enriching, and I came to just one conclusion, sir.
Today,
look, the need for a new register, Chairman, is no longer an optional. It's no longer an option on the table. A necessity. It's something that ought to be done and must be done now. Because we share, and I'll go through some of the issues. Chairman, Eddie and Tina, you been here new register. We because says I register here. There are 2 elections. I'm 2 presidents create a free. And I find that argument very weak. As I say, why in 1996. Obian Tim Kancham said the 1996 register na edikoyi Omampenyin Dada Rawlings no na ekroji. But the fact that it produced a president in 96 doesn't mean that there was no need for that register to be changed. Similarly, other registers are either to other presidents, they have had issues with them. But the fact that we have used those registers in their imperfect states, and when we know say who said there are issues with them and say yes sir, because simply ye de akoto abama obi abe president. I find that really very weak. But my member, the specifics and our issues are the need for a register are very imperative. No, I've heard people try to say, oh, it's about the fact that enough foreigners so and that NHIS. These are genuine issues, but the bigger issues are very much, have so much to do with technical viability of kind of saying abefum fidia yedi a year registration and a year sadi koto abano. These are the major issues that drive the need for the new register. And by that, I mean, partially say NHIS users now or call register yanti mean you omudi free so no and we here and important. But I'm saying that there are much more deeper technical issues necessitating the need for a new register. Exactly. Chairman, yensha here with BVRC, are there friend biometric verification registration kits no? Adia ye control ye dia abefum fidie na omudi eboa ama church edin no. Sa equipment no aye dada. And unkrofo a potokase mu de from vendors no ne omudi sa no ba ye no a omo Supertech Limited for no. Omo ama ya tiase se sa equipment no aye dada. Na se equipment na aye dada dia e de na se wo ye. Ena enye se eye dada keke e won sunsanso obi be kazo aye dada de ene se munsiesie na mfan ye adwuma but enye that simple e won sunsanso. So if the equipment are obsolete now according to omono they've reached their EOL sir some of the parts now ese omoto no omuko kra omunye bi nto. Some of the components of the BVRs omuko omunye bi nto because the producer has stopped producing them. Now, some of them, almost in 2016, before you can say Yako 2 Yako registration 2016, no. Almost a year preparation before the registration began. During the preparation, they noticed that there was 47% failure rate with respect to the BVR kits. Just a wood desire you are likely to record 47% failure rate. And then if the fact that the equipment have become obsolete, I dada. Now, who issue say the argument is DNS we are found. A bima suggests oh you refurbish the existing ones and now you buy new ones. Refurbishing the old ones, you know, and no na from vendors ni say pass ni bi wo hokura omunye bi no makoto. So the other option is you acquire new ones. But I'll come to other challenges. HS said, "Sa particular a year STL for the buyer no. Says here ya traho and says uses our equipment in the beam. Until the option is to get new ones. And Kaihunu say yeto equipment sa BVRs in the BVDC yeto more in 2011. That was the first time we did the procurement. And we started using them in 2012 and all of that. The last time yeto you can say new BVRs, any BVDs, was in 2013. Chairman, and look at the number of continuous and limited registration. From 2011, basically. And where so you are na ya papa na dia kosher box mu, and it affects the quality of the one says BVR no kit be that comes with different components. Scanner womb yedifa with fingerprints no, or webcam or computer and so on. Scanner no, for example, the quality of fingerprint images are unya from SARS scanners now yet from 2011 no. The quality is beginning to diminish. And I say it here for ETIAS when you go to register, you capture fingerprints in you are. They have to extract what they call like they extract your fingerprints and translate that into a biometric template. And no bet me store now then it goes into the data and data center now and voters data now electoral commission no. Until when the quality of your fingerprint image no so tier, it has effect on the kind of biometric template they can generate. And now the equipment and BVR kits no ama the quality of images are unya and the quality of fingerprint images are unyano eswati and esotia it makes it difficult for you to generate the biometric templates now would eventually you would get to store no. Until what option do you have when the equipment are as a capture fingerprints no aye dada and sesia asha say editoriate the na say you have to replace them. Until remember why in replacing them ebimu have made the argument say, oh, why don't you just replace the equipment? But Sebi and yet it's not an and yet simple sir say oh you can just change the equipment and do the transfer of data and migrate the data from the current format.
I don't think now no if we say so easy to understand now T2 NDC and
chairman
party phobia so party chairman say
no my party chairman's position if you have listened to him recently and if you had a park meeting he went there with an open mind hoping to listen to Niakosuno and to make some informed decisions until nyoma bia echichi na adwen or sorry beside he didn't go there with this aggressive belligerent attitude towards the register oh because I've advocated say ye here new register opportunity say bar and one say I'll go and repeat the same old position. He went there with an open mind. And chairman, if you had a meeting, he asked very legitimate questions. Nedi can obisa a question like, say you be a new registration now. Obviously, you will come at a cost to young political parties. Electoral Commission, everyone should say be an ombetimi ediabwa parties teach through the training of agents, for example, which is a legitimate concern. He also asked about date, and in the course of the presentation, and the truth is that Miso Minya Santi Asian said the final register will be ready on the 8th of November. Obisa and
it's not ready before that.
Exactly, because presentation that was the idea that came across. But Obisa Nchechemu Beye very clear say it will be ready by October. November 8th date is when the Electoral Commission itself would have finished printing all the registers for distribution to their district offices. Until he did not go there with a closed mind and say, oh, media, near minima, na minim, near me, kana, na maker.
Niaokano, intino, anya the obeko demonstration of you.
Oh, well, that meaning discuss what he's going to do personally. But I know for sure, sir, we've discussed what the party ought to do going forward. What you say? But, like you were asking, media. So we are watching say you want to be open-minded about these issues. Ubetias chairman. Ubetias but I said it elsewhere. Chairman, so Obindaya na benyanina ubre.
Obindaya.
Na si benyanina. Ubon said them nyanida.
That's what nine
exactly. So if you have a mindset, the mindset is it is either my way or the highway.
I am my mindset. Why do you know?
Me patch those who are opposing the production of a new register, no.
But I think because I said Tamasa in Komoiba in the beginning, no, also now were reservations, kakra.
Exactly.
But I said, what's the someone?
You see, in 2015, chairman, and I say this unashamedly, in 2015, my position was very clear. Say, we needed new register at the time. Essence, I was like, what is so fatal with the new register, with the old register now? Until my suggestion at the time was, yenkoye audit of the existing register. But chairman, post 2015, audit now yes suggested say omunyano. The question is, was that audit thoroughly done? The answer is no. NHIS card holders now no more register no. The court gave an order say yen you on free hot, na yen san register on fufro. Chairman, how many of them are off that register? Yantimanye kakrebi na etimi ye no makani are still on the register. So the audit suggestion no. Ambaso, which gives me, ignoring all other technical issues that alone could even be a basis for the call for a new register. But I had my reservations before this. But chairman, and beyond and also just this current one, I had my reservations. To be frank with you, I thought the issues were just about NHIS and the allegation of foreigners and what have you on the register. Chairman, issues, as to seen these, in fact, in the scheme of the issues driving the need for a new register, these are petty issues. Trust me, the issue of NHIS card holders on the register, the allegation of foreigners, these are petty issues in the scheme of the factors that are driving the need for this new register. Which I say, and Until Mika said, if you went there with an open mind, you would come out very enriched, and you would definitely come to the conclusion say, ebe here say, inimonimu ya yenye registration.
Are you suggesting so almost still a Montias, you know? I'm find a call.
Chairman. Well, from the way people carry themselves at the meeting, it was obvious.
Saying,
Omuyo Margin said, it is either we have it our way or no way at all. Well, because to the extent that when you raise concerns, say electoral commission address it. Electoral commission nina bejina also be address issues na. Ewana omutiko okay bibia oh there be anyesa na etia. Can you imagine to the extent that they were trying to tell us template na the word template. And I'm saying template in the IT sense. Electoral commission nino ebe chichimu. They said people were even saying it's wrong. Your idea of template is even wrong. Trying to say some meeting and apart from Omwa, there's nobody else who understands IT. And Jama, if you have this mindset, and there were some effusions, I racked my brain to find the source of you can say effusions. People were just angry for no reason. Hey, they were now as if they had already Omu Electoral Commission. By all means, and it was at that point I concluded said Ebimuba has they did not come to listen to the EC and then probably question what the EC is saying, but they came with their set of ideas. Until one fire the ideas na nyejuma, there's no way yenu be arguing. But if you have such rigid and entrenched mindset now, and found how convincing the Electoral Commission's argument is going to be. Unji did that because Omu Kasanokra wuntie. What you say?
Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet